I finally got the TST Industries turn signals installed. Way better than the stock OEM ones.
Unlimited talk and text included. Go ahead.
I also got the flash relay, but I almost like the faster flash rate over the slower. So I'll probably just keep that and not mess with it unless somebody suggests otherwise for some reason. I don't know, seems like it's more noticeable. So, but yeah, they're really nice. So I picked these up for like $8 for a set of 2 on eBay. It turns out that the thread is too big for the stock replacement, so maybe I can get the adapter. I just thought it would look better than the orange. Most people just remove them completely or put a sticker over it. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I go with this or just remove it completely? I'm not sure.